Alright, what is going on, guys? Crypto Mac here, bringing you another crypto video today. We're going to do an update video on CasperLabs and just do, it's probably going to be a pretty quick update video, just talk about what's been going on the past few days. Has been a few days since I made a video, so I thought I'd make a Casper video. I just made a Rune video as well, talking about Rune and the entire market, so here I thought I would talk about Casper. Just to say, this video is not financial advice, guys, so please do your own research. We can see here, on the short term, that is for Casper, just a major support level at the moment on this lower line. Let's bring that back up. We can see here, I'm on the daily now, so here's just like a major support line that we can see trading. The bottom line is about that 11-cent range, and then as high as 13 cents. We did see a breakout, but obviously we just a fake out, and straight away we got pulled back down. Problem is, a lot of it is very dependent on Bitcoin at the moment. I've been saying this for a while, but as Bitcoin, kind of just trends sideways, trading at 42,700 right now. As it just trends sideways or a little bit downwards or a little bit upwards, a lot of coins just kind of moving sideways like this. So we can see for Casper, I mean, Casper broke out of this descending channel. We spoke about this quite a lot on the channel, and it broke out and then just moved sideways. If you disregard this lower line as well, you can see we broke out and then held this as support as well. So we confirmed a breakout and then just a sideways trend, because it was basically unable to have a nice rally because Bitcoin dropped from like $47,000 down to 42K, which was a big factor in Casper's inability to head back up and more so complete that cup and handle, which we're discussing on the channel for quite some time. So the major thing we're talking about, how was the big cup formed, he was a handle, and we just haven't completed that handle and got up to this line of 22 cents, which I think we can definitely get up to some point in 2022. I think it's capable of doing it in Q1 still, but I don't think it's capable of getting to that line without Bitcoin at the bare minimum rallying, back to maybe 50K or somewhere around that region. If Bitcoin goes to $30,000, I just don't think Casper's going to have that push to get back to this level. I think it would drop support and head lower, as with the majority of the market, because as we all know, like, Bitcoin moves the market so heavily. But this is sort of what we're waiting for, is to get back to this line. We know our price target's at 38 cents, which seems a fair way away from where we're at. I mean, we're talking about a nice 220% move from the current price, which is no easy thing for sure, but I think it's definitely capable of doing it. To get to a price like that at some point in 2022, I think I'm still bullish on the entire market. I think Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin will get back above the bull market support band. It might take a month or two, but I think it will, and then we'll have a bullish 2022. A bit later on, it might, as I said, it might take a few months to get there. There's no rush. As much as I'd love for it to happen instantly, there's no rush. And yeah, for the short term, which we're watching this kind of sideways moving channel, just hopefully we continue to hold that support line and more ideally break that top line and make that move back to the upside is the main thing I'll be looking at. As for Casper against Bitcoin, we can see even recently that Casper has moved to the upside quite nicely, actually, and even forming that kind of descending, that falling wedge, maybe a bit of a bull flag as well. And so we could see a nice move again for Casper against Bitcoin. Unfortunately, this mostly happened from Bitcoin dropping in price as opposed to Casper performing well, as we can see from this Casper moving sideways. So still, it's a good sign to see Casper doing this. This is our main level to break up here as well for Casper. We still needs to pump about 34 cents against Bitcoin to break through that line, and that's what we can see Casper really take off, I think. As for Bitcoin, we can see it's holding this lower support line quite strongly. There's no saying that it has to hold this line and won't go lower. I think, unfortunately, I think Bitcoin could most definitely just break through the support line and go lower. At the same time, though, as I said, I think we're in for a good year for crypto, and 2022 and the bull market will extend into 2022. And if that's my belief, and if that's what's going to happen, well, eventually we have to make that move back to the upside, and this could be it as well. This could be it. Another thing to look at is, well, this was our last bottom right here. Last big dip on our big support line was right here, and so therefore this could be the level we come down to test support. before making the move to the upside as well. Something to look at. As I said, there's no reason why Bitcoin has to hold that as support and not go lower. Bitcoin might go down to 30k or even lower than that, unfortunately. It could happen, but as I said, I'm still bullish. I think we're in for a good year. I think 22 will be solid. I think Casper's in for a really good year. And yeah, let me know what you think of Casper, guys. Please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I previously made a video giving my 2022 outlook for Casper. If you want to go watch that, pretty in-depth video of where I think it could go this year and my own price prediction. So if you want to go watch that, go ahead. I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll catch you later.